Well, it's day 480 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blade, Sweetwater Creek Senator, and I just have a piece of car heater hose here, so let's just cut straight into this today, shall we? Oh, and slip straight through there. I was not expecting that to go through that quickly. But then again, I have stropped this knife. That being said, I did slip out of the cut there, so let me just get that back in place. And go around just like so. Now we're going to do that again. Straight into the hose. And I may have gone a little thin on one side, but there we go. I'm going to do one more cut on the hose today. Just like so. And I think that will do for day 480 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blades, Sweetwater Creek Senator.